Hello everyone, this is Steve with the Free Bullion Investment Guide. Today is May 25th and I'm doing a review and outlook price analysis for the US dollar. This is US dollar's daily chart, and in review of, well, the last video was 2 weeks ago. I had a sore throat last week, so I didn't produce any video last week. But basically, just taking a basic look at the chart, we had an escalation of the trade war again, so that has helped the dollar move down. And then we had a lot of really good news come out a week before last about manufacturing data, as well as new home starts and other economic factors that were positive for the dollar. And then this past week, we had basically the dollar move sideways because of the Fed meeting. Not a whole lot of people knew what they were going to say. And then basically when they came out and said what they've always been saying, that they're going to be patient and just looking at what the market's going to do, the dollar fell when China recently came out with a little bit more rhetoric that said that they're not going to, that they're basically digging their heels in on the trade dispute, and we're really not going to see a resolution anytime soon, is what it sounds like. Now, I do know that the two presidents, of China, President Xi, as well as President Trump, will be talking at the G20, which I think comes sometime in June. But I think it's around June 20th, but don't hold me to it. I think it's sometime around mid to late June, but I'm not really quite sure as far as when the timing is on that. But they are expected to speak, or at least see each other. Whether they're going to speak or not, who knows? And that may help things or it may hurt things. We'll have to see how things turn out. So I had shown you this falling wedge pattern in the last video. It is a positive pattern, and as we can see, the dollar did rise above it, breaking it and confirming it. Now, as far as for the week ahead, I have found a new pattern. Actually, I'm going to move to the 4-hour chart. Let me move that to that real quick and pan out here. The 4-hour chart, you can connect the lines a little bit easier. So now I'm showing a rising wedge, which is a negative pattern for the US dollar. The dollar is expected to fall below this pattern, and it will likely could stop. Well, I'm not going to say where it's going to stop, but it does have support at 97.05. That was the last support area that was tested and confirmed, as well as 96.75. As far as resistance, we still have the 98.15 level. It was broken slightly above last time that the dollar moved up. And we also have 98.38, which was tested and held. So that's really the outlook for the US dollar. We have a rising wedge pattern, which is negative. It's expected to fall. As far as what makes it fall, it's anyone's guess. But we do have support at 97.05 and 96.75. So I thank you for your time. Have a great and safe Memorial Day weekend. Take care and God bless.